Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how to know if someone blocked you on Discord. So for that you can what you can do is you can go to your Discord and you have to be on your home and you have to enter that person's username and hashtag, and you have to click on send friend request. So if you click on send friend request and it says unable to send friend request and there is a problem with sending friend request, then but first make sure that the name and the hashtag you are using is 100% correct. And after doing that, if you click on send friend request and it shows the error of not sending friend request, then it is confirmed that that person has blocked you on Discord. And you can further check it if a person has blocked you or not from the direct message option as well. For example, you have contacted with the person earlier and their name will be shown into direct messages, and you can copy and paste their name and username here, username and hashtag here, and click on send friend request. So if it shows you the error message, then you can confirm in another way if that person has blocked you or not. After getting the error message, you will have to right click on that person's name and click on send message, or from direct message you have to double click on their name and try to send them a message. And if that person has blocked you, you will see that your message will not reach them and it will show you error message from Discord. So that's how you can basically check if a person has blocked you on Discord or not. If you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.